Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to online classes. Actually, we have discussed last video about RLVP and colligative properties. That is RLVP and elevation of boiling point. There are two more is there, depression of freezing point and osmotic pressure is also is there. Later I will explain. But there are some problems based on RLVP and elevation of boiling point. Now this is the problem based on RLVP, relative lowering of vapor pressure. Now see what kind of problems is there. The vapor pressure of the pure benzene at certain temperature, that is 0.850 bar, 850 bar, a non-volatile, non-electrolyte solid weighing 0.5 grams, 0.5 grams, when added to 39.0 grams of benzene. Right. So here benzene molecular mass is given here 78 grams into mole inverse. Vapor pressure of the solution then is 0.845 bar. Right. So what is the molar mass of the solid substance? So now we have to calculate molecular mass of the solute. Molecular mass of the solute. So now we have 0.5 grams is weight. No, this is weight of solute. Weight of solute. Now we wrote here. Here B, A is indicates here B is indicates solute, regarding solute. Right. So WB is equal to 0.5 grams. This is 0.5 grams, means weight of solute. Molecular weight of solute you have to calculate. The substance molecular weight is you have to substance. Next one, 39 grams of benzene. Now it is called solvent. It is called what? Solvent. How much? 39.0 grams. That is weight of solvent. A is related to solvent, B is related to solute. Now weight of the solvent, this is WA, is equal to how much? 39.0 grams. WA indicates weight of solvent, and MA is indicates molecular mass or molar mass of solvent. How much? 78 grams into mole inverse. Molar inverse. And here one more is there. The vapor pressure of pure benzene. Pure benzene is what here? Solvent? No. This is solvent. How much? 0.850 bar. That is, solvent is always denoted as P0A or PA0. You can call it as anyone. And now PA is equal to vapor pressure of the solution. This is called what? So here see, they mention vapor pressure of the solution then is 0.845. So the substance is dissolved in where? In benzene. No. That substance is dissolved in benzene means by combine these two called what? Solution. That solution vapor pressure is how much? 0.845 bar. This is bar. So this is the given data. From this given data you have to calculate molar mass or molecular mass. So what is the molar mass of the solid substance? Then you have to calculate molecular weight of solute. So there is a formula. That is, what is the formula for RLVP? That is P0A minus PA by P0A, means vapor pressure of the pure solvent minus vapor pressure of the solution by vapor pressure of the pure solvent is equal to weight of solute by gram molecular weight of solute into weight of molecular weight of solvent by weight of solvent. From this, you have to calculate this one, molecular mass of the solute. So now molecular mass of the solute we can written as, after cross multiply, we can written as what? Pa naught into, so cross multiply, Wb into Ma by P naught A minus Pa into Wj. Now P naught A value is how much here? P naught A 0.850 into Wb value is how much? 0.5 grams, 0.5, and Ma molecular mass of solvent is how much? 78. Is there no? Ma is 78 by P naught A minus Pa. P naught A is value is how much? P naught A value is 0.850 minus Pa value is how much? 0.845 minus 45 into Wa, no. So that is Wa 39 grams, 39. So after calculation, this is. So you have to write these all as still, but you have to subtract, that is 0.850 minus 0.845, that is indicates 0.005. Now after multiplication, we got 33.15. After this multiplication, we got what? 0.195. So now that is molecular mass of solute how much? 170 grams per moles. This is the problem, very very important problem based on RL. So there one more problem is there. So let's see. So this is second problem based on RLVP. So vapor pressure of water at 293 K is 17.535 mm of Hg. Right? Calculate the vapor pressure of water at 293 K when 25 grams of glucose is dissolved in 450 grams of water. 450 grams of water. Now, vapor pressure of water is, your water is a solvent. Sorry, your water is, that is what? Solvent. 17.535 mm of Hg. So, vapor pressure of the solvent written as what? P naught A, that is what? 17.535 mm of Hg. Next, see here. Calculate the vapor pressure of the water. Vapor pressure of the water means here when 25 grams of glucose, here 25 grams of glucose is added now. Here 25 grams of glucose dissolved in 450 grams of water. 450 grams of water. Then, if dissolved means now it is called what? Solution. Now the solution vapor pressure is how much? We don't know. We have to calculate this one. Now weight of the solute is 25 grams. Weight of the molecular weight of the solute, that is C6H12O6. That is you have to calculate. How to calculate this one? So here carbon is. Here how many carbons? 6 carbons. Molecular weight is 12. 6 into 12 plus. Here hydrogen, how many? 12, and molecular weight is 1, and 6 carbon, 6 into weight of molecular weight of oxygen is 16, right? 16. By adding all these, now we got 180, that is gram into mole inverse. So this is manual calculation only. This is, you have to remember, keep remember, this is the original value of, exact value of molecular weight of glucose. So now 180. So now all values is there now by using RLVP formula, that is what? P naught A minus Pa by P naught A is equal to weight of solute by gram molecular weight or molecular weight of solute into molecular weight of solvent by weight of the solvent. This is all values is there. Now we have to substitute. Now like this. After simple calculation, 25 is. Now this is 25 by 180 into 18 by 450. After simplification, now this total value is equal to 1 by 180. Now we have to call it calculate PA, that is vapor pressure of the solution. Now this one we can written as 1 minus PA by 17.535. 17.535 into 1, 17.535 minus PA by 17.535. Now this value is 1 by 180. 1 by 180. Now this minus tag is shifted to this side, right hand side. 180 is shifted to that side. Now it is positive now. When shifted to left hand means this is minus. Now this value is we can written as 179 by 180. 170 1 is 180. 1 is 180 minus 1 means what? 179 by 180 is equal to, now this term is shifted to right hand side, PA by 17.535. Now after dividing this value, now we got 0.994 and you have to write like this. Now we want to calculate what? PA means vapor pressure of the solution. Now finally we got what? 17.43 mm of Hg. This is the one model. Otherwise another model is there. Calculates you have to calculate number of moles of solute and solvent. You have to do. So that is somewhat lengthy process. This for this one you have to do like this one. This is the correct process. Right. So one more problem is. So next one, this is the problem based on elevation of boiling point. So elevation of boiling point. See here, 18 grams of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water. Find the boiling point of the solution. Find the boiling point of solution at 1.013 bar. Here Kb value is for water. Kb value for water is 0.52 kg into mole inverse. So here how to calculate? So already you know what is the formula for delta Tb. So delta Tb means what? Elevation of boiling point is equal to. So actually delta Tb is equal to what? Delta Tb, Tb minus Tb naught. Elevation of boiling point means what? The boiling point difference in between solution and solvent. So that is delta Tb. Now delta Tb formula is what? Kb into Wb into 1000 by Mb into Wa. Wb means weight of solute, here Mb means molecular weight of solute, here Wa means weight of solvent. Weight of solvent. So already you know that is delta Tb is directly proportional to the molality. Now delta Tb is equal to Kb. You have to write proportional constant Kb into molality. So molality formula is what? Molality. So weight of solute by weight of solute here consider Wb, molecular weight of solute Mb into 1000 by weight of solvent, that is considered Wa. Now this part is substitute in place of M. That is the formula. This is. So I think you very well know formula this one. Now what is the Wa value here? 1 kg is given now. Glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water. And Kb value is there no 0.52 K into Kc into mole inverse. Wb, that is what? Weight of Wb means what? Here Wb means what? Weight of solute. So here 1 kg W is a solvent. It is what? Solvent 1 kg. That is 1000 grams. This is Wb means what? Dissolved in where? 1 kg of water, find the boiling point solution. Yes, 18 grams of glucose dissolved in 1 kg of water. So 18 grams of glucose. Here what? Solute. That is Wb is equal to solute. Now here Tb not there given. that is how much? TB naught. Dissolving the boiling point of solution at 0. Point of solution at 0.01. Yes, you have to find out first. You have to find out. So how to find this one? See, one more. Right. So by using these properties, you have to calculate delta TB. But delta TB is equal to what? TB minus TB naught. TB minus TB naught. Instead of delta TB, you have to write this form: TB minus TB naught. TB naught value is constant. That is boiling point of solvent. Boiling point of solvent. Solvent means here what? Water. That is how much? TB naught value. That is 373.15. This is constant 373.15. See, it is not there in data. It is not there in data. You have to keep remember this is the constant value. Constant value. Now TB minus TB naught is equal to 0.52 into this is KB value is what? 0.552. WB value is 80 and 1000 is out, right? This is MB means what? Molecular weight of solute, that is 180 grams into WA is here already there. WA is what? Weight of solvent, that is 1 kg. Now we have to convert into grams, 1000. After this simplification, TB minus TB naught is equal to 0.052 K. This is the value. From this you have to find out the boiling point of the solution. Now boiling point of solution is equal to, now this is shifted to right hand side, plus this value is constant. You have to keep remember, that is 373.15 Kelvin. This is. So by adding, we got what? That is TB means boiling point of solution is 373.102. So this is the problem. Keep remember here. This kind of problems you have to keep remember. One is delta TB you have to write in definition form. Then only you have to calculate. And one more point, boiling point of the solvent, water, you have to keep remember. So this is the problem. So one more problem, see. So next one, this is another model problem based on elevation of boiling point. So that is, the boiling point of benzene is 353.23 K. Boiling point of benzene, this is. When 1.80 grams of non-volatile solute is dissolved in 90 grams of benzene. Now weight of the solute is 1.80, weight of solvent is 90 grams. Clear now? The boiling point of the solution is rise to 354.11 K. 350.11 K. Here boiling point of solvent is there. Here boiling point of solution is there. So boiling point of solution minus boiling point of solvent, that is called what? Elevation of boiling point. Now calculate the molar mass of the solute. So Kb is elevation of boiling point constant is 2.53. So first you have to calculate delta Tb. Delta Tb. So here Tb value is there and delta Tb value is also there. Tb value is what? Boiling point of solution. How much? 354 kk. The solution is rise to 354.11. That means what? Boiling point of solution 354.11 minus here boiling point of benzene is 353.23. So this is called a boiling point of solvent, that is benzene. So now delta Tb is equal to 0.88 K. Now what we calculate the molar mass of the solute. So Mb is equal to what? Molecular mass of a solute, that is formula Kb into Wb into 1000 by delta Tb into Wa. By substituting all values 2.53, that is kb value, and I told 1.8 weight of solute into 1000 grams, 1000, that is what, 1000, and delta TB already calculated 0.88 into weight of solvent is given here 90. After substitution, after calculation, MB is equal to 57.2 gram into mole. First model is calculation of delta TB. Now this is one what calculate molecular weight, but here solvent solution boiling point is given. Delta TB is you have to calculate, then only you have to calculate molecular mass of solute. These are the problems based on elevation of boiling point and previously two problems, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure. So here up to this class we finished, that is two colligative properties. So next class, what is the depression of freezing point, what is the freezing point, what is depression of freezing point, and what is osmotic pressure. First of all, you have to know about what is osmosis, osmotic pressure, and types of osmotic pressures, means isotonic solutions, hypo, and what is reverse osmosis, how to desaline, that is desalination of sea water, and we have to discuss about Van't Hoff factor next class. Okay na? Thank you.